let's have a look. Find 1%. So 1% is, it's going to be 100th of that, isn't it? So divided by 10, divided by 100. So 1% equals 9.14. And that sounds about right, doesn't it? If 900, yeah, it's 100th, isn't it? 9 times 100 equals that. Good. But did we want 1%? No, we wanted 66%. So let's find our 66%. So if we multiply this side by 66, we multiply that side by 66. So 9.14 times 66. Don't get panicked by it, just take it nice and slow. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 9 times 6 is 54. Keep your columns nice and straight. 0 down. 6 times 4 again is 24. 1 times 6 is 6 and 2 is 8. 9 times 6 is 54. So there's our 54. Add it up. 4, 12, carry 1. 12, 13, carry 1. 10, carry 1. 6. How many numbers after the decimal point? 1, 2. So bounce it in. 1, 2. So the answer is 603. And does that feel right? I think it does, doesn't it? Because 66 is about 2/3. 600 is 2/3 of 900. So we're okay with that one. I've started to have to tick these off because I kept losing my place. Next one. 27% of 64. Funny number again, so find 1%. 1% divided by 100 equals 0.64. But did we want 1%? No, we wanted 27%. So if you multiply this side by 27, you multiply that side by 27. So if one squidgy marshmallow, do you spot a theme here? Ooh, don't know how that. One squidgy marshmallow cost 64 pence. 27 squidgy marshmallows would be that. What would be that times 27? So let's just multiply it by 27. Get ourselves another colour. 4 times 7 is 28. 6 times 7 is 42, and 2 is 44. And then 0 times 7 is 0 plus the 4. So that's 4. 0 down. 2 times 4 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to carry the 1 just for form. 0 times 2 is 0 plus the 1. Now add them up. 8, 12, carry 1, 4, 7, 1. How many numbers are for decimal point? 1, 2. So bounce it in. 1, 2. So the answer is 17.28. It's a bit less than a third. In fact, it's almost a quarter, isn't it? And a quarter of 60 is, what's a quarter of 60? A quarter of 60 is 15. In fact, a quarter of 64 is 16. And it's a bit more than that. So that seems right to me. Next one. 15%. Oh, now this is one where we can sort of take shortcuts again, isn't it? 15% of 12. 10% equals 1.2. 5% will be half of that, which would be 0.6. £1.20. Half of that would be 60p. Add the two together to make 15%. If you add those together, we have to add these together. So that would be 8. Bring down the decimal. 1.8. Ta-da! And then the next one, we've got 59% of 9. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Funny number, prime number. So just find 1%. 1% of 9. So, but there are no noughts to bounce it on. So what we have to do is just give yourself another nought. There we are. So that would be 1/10, 1/100th. So 1% equals 0.1. imagine it's pennies. It's 9 pennies, isn't it? So hundredth of £9 would be 9 pence. And there we have it. That makes sense. Multiply this side by 59. Multiply that side by 59. Because that's what we wanted to find out was 59. Big equals, little equals. We'll get ourselves another colour just for the laughs. We can have a green. 9 times 9 is 81. 0 times 9 is 0. Plus the 8 is 8. There. 9 times 9, 81. Put down the 0. 9 times 5 is 45. 0 times 5 is 0 and 4. 0 times 5 is 0. So 1, 13, carry the 1, 5, 5, 3, 1. How many numbers after the decimal? 1, 2. Bounce it in, 1, 2. Let's just check that. That is about 2/3, isn't it? Ish. Somewhere between 2/3 and a half of 9. And so that would be about 5 and a bit. Makes sense, doesn't it? Always have some sort of common sense check. Are you beginning to get the hang of these now? I hope so, but don't worry, there'll be loads of time to practice this, and my goodness, you will. As time goes by, you will. Bye.